Here's a detailed guide on how to make a classic boba drink, also known as bubble tea.
Ingredients: 1/4 cup of dried tapioca pearls boba, half cup of brewed black tea or your choice of tea, half cup of milk, you can use dairy or non-dairy milk, sweetener of your choice, sugar, honey, simple syrup, etc. Ice cubes. Optional ingredients: flavored syrups like vanilla, caramel, or fruit flavors. Toppings like tapioca pearls, jelly cubes, or fruit slices. Equipment: pot for boiling water, strainer bowl, tall glass, drinking straw, cocktail shaker, or stirring utensil. Instructions: prepare the tapioca pearls. Bring about 4 cups of water to a boil in a pot. Add the dried tapioca pearls to the boiling water and stir gently to prevent sticking. Let the tapioca pearls cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, or according to the package instructions, until they become soft and chewy. Once cooked, drain the tapioca pearls using a strainer and rinse them under cold water to stop the cooking process. Transfer them to a bowl and set aside. Brew the tea. Brew a strong cup of black tea or your preferred tea according to the package instructions. You can use loose tea leaves or tea bags. Let the tea cool down to room temperature before using it in the boba drink. Prepare the sweetened milk. In a separate container, mix the milk with your desired sweetener. Adjust the sweetness according to your preference. You can use sugar, honey, or flavored syrups for sweetness. Assemble the drink. Fill a tall glass with ice cubes. Pour the brewed tea over the ice, filling the glass about halfway. Add the sweetened milk on top of the tea, leaving some space at the top of the glass. Add the tapioca pearls. Using a spoon, carefully add the cooked tapioca pearls to the glass, allowing them to sink to the bottom. Mix and serve. Use a cocktail shaker or a long stirring utensil to gently mix the ingredients together. Insert a large straw into the glass and serve immediately, allowing the drinker to enjoy the boba pearls with each sip. Optional: customize with toppings. Feel free to add additional toppings like jelly cubes, fruit slices, or flavored syrups for extra flavor and texture. Enjoy your homemade boba drink. Adjust the ingredients and proportions to suit your taste preferences, and don't be afraid to get creative with different tea flavors and toppings. If you like this video, please like and follow.